Sean with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the garage, and welcome back to 2022 BMW S1000RR is up on the lift for another 5-minute modification. Now, this modification is kind of a repeat modification, but I have to give a huge shout out and thank you to Leo Vinci. Now, Leo Vinci's reached out to me and said, hey, they really loved the video on the S1000 single R, and I've really loved the exhaust on that. And well, I just put the header system on yesterday, and everyone's asking me why I'm switching out the Akrapovic for the Leo Vinci. And there's a couple reasons. The Akrapovic's a little bit big for me. I kind of want that shorty, and the sound just isn't quite there. And well, Leo Vinci reached out and gave me an exhaust system, so I have to thank them for that. But I've got one on the S1000R that I paid for. I've got one on the XR that I've paid for, and I just love them. The quality is so top notch, and the price is so bottom of the barrel. It's like the opposites of what it should be. I've paid thousands of dollars for exhaust that was built garbage. And well, Leo Vinci never disappoints. So today we're gonna do a quick install and first start of a full decatted, headered S1000RR with the carbon fiber Leo Vinci. So let's get the chesty cam on. Let's walk through a quick 5-minute install on this thing, and let's hear this cold start on the S1000RR. All right, and once again, Manny with Leo Vinci, thank you so much for getting me this. And listen, guys, I'm a creature of habit, and I really, when things work, I just continue with those things. And well, Leo Vinci works, so I really love their quality and stuff. And I don't mind the price point. I think this exhaust runs for like under $300. And well, it's worked on the S1000 single R, so we've gone ahead and continued with the carbon fiber can, the shorty. Unfortunately, we've got the cheese grater, so I'm gonna have to pull up on the internet and find out how to take this out. Oh yeah, that's right. We already have a video for that. So if you guys haven't seen the cheese grater removal, we'll be doing that on this one too. I won't do a video just because it's kind of pointless, but all right, so let's go ahead over here. Now, pretty simple install, removal of the old one. You've got one bolt down here, which is like a T40, and then you've got one bolt that's gonna be held here. This one particular is a 6mm to our Gillies rear set. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the clamp down on the bottom. So go ahead and just get this clamp loose. Switch over to our 6mm and go ahead and take the top bolt out with our little spacer here, and that's it. Go ahead and grab our exhaust and wiggle our exhaust off. So take a little bit to wiggle off. All right, and once we've got this off, we'll slide the clamp off. We're gonna go ahead and keep this with this system and set it aside. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab our clamp, and our clamp is gonna go on facing. So we're gonna go inwards like this so we can tuck it around here. And then we're gonna slide this onto the header, and right in, we're gonna basically line everything up where the hole is here. And this is the same exact install for, it doesn't matter if you've got a stock header or an aftermarket header. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our 6mm, and then they provide you a 13mm nut. So we're gonna go in here and put that in the back, and go ahead and get this nice and tight. All right, then what we're gonna do is, now that that's tight, we can literally, the BMW is the easiest exhaust to change. So 2 bolts, we've got it all on. It looks wonderful. Now, here's the only downfall that I've got here. I've got a titanium header, and I have a stainless steel pipe. That's the only thing that comes in the S1000 single R right now. So we may have to change this over to a titanium if Leo Vinci releases one. I'm going to talk to Manny about trying to see if we can get a titanium one. But right now we've got a stainless. It'll brown up. You can see on the S1000 single R, you can see it's kind of browned up, so that kind of silver tone goes away. But look, you guys are here for one reason and one reason only, and that's to hear what this thing sounds like. Cold as ice. Cold as ice. Oh, I shouldn't even be touching it. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. All right, cold as ice. Let's hear this thing start up for the very first time. Oh yeah, baby. So, you know, the first startup yesterday with the Aquapovic system, it was kind of a little bit disappointing. Now, the Aquapovic did have a DB killer in it, which I couldn't get out. You guys were requesting, hey, how does it sound without the DB killer? I tried for almost an hour to pull that DB killer out, and I couldn't get it out. So, we're fully open on this thing all the way through. Get a little bit of heat in this, give it a little wrap, but very, very nice. Again, Leo Vinci, this thing is about $300. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. This same pipe that looks exactly the same from other companies is almost 3 times the amount of money. So look, if that doesn't sell you on it, and the quality, the carbon fiber's nice, the seams in the back, it's really nice. So let's kind of ear piercing right now. Get a little warmer, and it'll be shooting flames later today. So thank you guys for sticking around. The S1000RR is coming along. You guys have seen the disappointment video on the S1000 single R with the carbon fiber. I think I found another carbon fiber company, so I may be decking that out. I really want to deck the single R out in carbon fiber. I know you guys probably want this done, but that one I think would be cooler. But let me know modification-wise what I should be doing next on the S1000 single or double R, and what we should be doing next on this. We have the Bren tune, we have the full exhaust system on it, we've got the flap delete coming, which I won't do a video on. We've already done that on the S1000 single R. Air filters coming, we've got a rear cowl coming for it, we've got the taillights on it. So let me know, what do you guys want to see us do on the S1000RR? And if there's any recommendations on the single R, let me know. But thank you guys for sticking around. The S1000RR, oh, I can't wait for the ride. Stay tuned, do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you future notification of future content here on the channel. Thank you guys for sticking around. We'll see you next video. Bye, guys.